happiness you deserve. Enjoy your special day to the fullest.
Alright! Thank you so much. Palagpakan naman natin yung mga nagbigay ng video greetings. Thank you so much. This time, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our birthday girl to please join me here. Esther, pakikuha nga ng chair because we will have our fast talk. Alright? So this time, bago po natin mapakinggan yung words of thanks ng ating lovely debutant, we will have our fast talk first. I have few questions here and all you have to do is to answer it very quickly. So ako sa si Boy Abunda ron. Disclaimer. Alright, so we have the background music, Mr. DJ. To me, very quick. As quick as...
Ay, sa kikulbaan.
Kaya mo yan. Okay, don't worry.
Yes or no, Rani?
Depende sa tanong. Okay, so all you have to do is to choose either blah, 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 blah. Are you ready? How are you so far? How are you so far? Kumusta ka?
I'm nervous.
Mura mo na beauty pageant. O yung mga ay, pagkilon o kuan. Alright. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fast Talk with Hyacinth Gale, our lovely debutant. Before we're going to hear her words of thanks. Are you ready? No question. Alright. Morning or night?
Nice.
Sweet or spicy?
Sip.
Beach or mountains?
Beat.
TikTok or Instagram?
IG.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Favorite color?
Sky blue.
Celebrity crush? 1, 2, 3, go karaoke song. Karaoke song favorite. 1, 2.
You beat my heart?
Wow, dogs or cats? Dogs or cats?
Wala.
Pizza or pasta?
Pasta.
Love or career? First thing you do when you wake up?
Mangibuta.
I love that. I'm doing that also. Dream destination. Dream destination.
Destination.
Dream destination.
Dream destination.
Pakinaan na ng volume kasi ako hindi ako
Paris.
Paris, alright. Most used emoji.
Agree Park!
Say it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Biggest fear.
Wala, mama.
Describe yourself in one word.
Papa.
Buyag! If you could meet anyone dead or alive, who would it be? If you could meet anyone, dead or alive, who would it be?
Papa.
Wow. What's your birthday wish?
Magka-iPhone.
Magka-iPhone. Makeup or no makeup?
No makeup.
Text or call? Text or call? Alright. Dora or Gail?
Dora!
Who is your secret crush?
Secret.
Tanda pa lang ito. Secret nga, di ba? Alright. Flowers or chocolates?
Flowers.
Baguio or Boracay?
Boracay.
Math or science?
Wala.
Crush mo ba yung best friend mo?
Pizza.
One word to describe your love life. Wala pa.
Low-key.
Low-key, wow. Kung ulam ka, ano ka?
Uyap.
Uyap.
Udong.
Udong! What is your most embarrassing moment?
Grabe nga, udong.
Taghan, kalimot na ka.
Patay. Karun.
Karu. Most killing moment ever. Wow. First love? Wala pa. Bawal. Alright. Gusto mo ba?
Papa tayo, papa.
Ayun pa yung first love. Gusto mo ba siya? Oo, hindi.
Oh.
If you had a superpower, what would it be? Superpower.
Invisible.
Wow. Pogi or funny?
Funny.
May nagpapaasa na ba sa'yo? I like that. Go. Yes or no? Yes.
Meet you.
Okay. Message to your future self in 5 seconds.
Unta okay na ka niya. Unta na success na ka and be happy.
Hey! Round of applause for our debutant. Thank you so much. So it's now your turn to give your words of thanks. Alright. Nairaos din natin yung ating fast talk. May mga questions na medyo nag